Hello Sagittarius, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star and welcome to your reading. So Sagittarius, this is your reading for the month of January 2021, and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Okay, Sagittarius, I would appreciate if you would hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below if you find yourself getting resonated with this reading. I would also request you to hit that notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the videos. Sagittarius, in this reading, we'll see what is your energy, what is the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with, what is the mutual energy between you and this person. I'll also pull out love notes, and we'll see what are the love messages for you guys for the month of January. Okay, let's get started now. So we have is Magician for you. We have is a Ten of Swords. We have is Five of Swords. We have is the Moon for your person, Nine of Wands, and we have is Five of Wands. Mutual energy is that of Knight of Swords and Wheel of Fortune. Okay, let's pull out the love notes. Let's pull out the love notes. Let's pull out the love notes. Although we are going to discuss the love notes at the fag end. Sagittarius, you may be dealing with another Sagittarius, with a Virgo, with a Gemini, okay, with a Cancer, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So these are your cards. Magician, Ten of Swords and Five of Swords. Okay. Sagittarius, with that Magician card, what I feel is the month of January is going to be the month where you're going to discover the spiritual side of you. Okay, you're going to discover that you are able to work with law of attraction. You will discover that you have manifestation abilities. You can manifest powerful things in your life, and you can manifest these things at a great speed. Okay, so with the Magician card, what I'm sensing is, yeah, something you're gonna discover something about yourself, about and you were unaware about that. Okay, something that you were unaware, you're going to discover that about yourself in the month of January. And whatever this something is, that is related to your that is something quite spiritual. Either it is related to your psychic abilities, it is related to your manifestation powers, it is related to you working with law of attraction. And you will find out that because whatever you're going to discover that at a stage when or you are going to discover that at a time when you will be feeling a bit low. Okay, you will be feeling a bit disappointed or a bit depressed. There is a sense of lack. Yes, I'm also feeling with the Magician card, with the Ten of Swords, there is a sense of lack. Sense of lack is probably about, maybe you're feeling I'm not where I should have been. Maybe you're comparing yourself with other people, with your friends, with your competitors, with your peers. You're comparing yourself with your colleagues, and you're like, these people have got married, they have kids, or they are so successful, and I have put in so much of efforts and still I'm not finding or still not that you are unsuccessful, you are successful, you are someone, in fact you have achieved a lot as compared to other people, but you are someone who is ambitious. Okay, you are someone who is a very hardworking zodiac sign. Okay, you are an ambitious person, and you are also very self-critical. Okay, Sagittarius people are very self-critical, and they are like, maybe I could have done better, maybe I should have done better, maybe I have more capabilities. You're always like it's like you're trying to discover more and more about yourself every single day, because you think that you have a lot of capabilities and you haven't discovered those. Okay, so there is a bit of a sense of lack over here, and maybe you're comparing yourself with others, and at the same time you are going to discover a couple of things about yourself, like I told you about your manifestation powers and everything. Now look, what is happening is this sense of lack and this manifestation discovery about manifestation powers is getting coupled, and maybe it's like you may become a bit desperate. You may be like, oh, I am discovering amazing manifestation powers about myself. I can manifest like this in my life. My thoughts are very powerful. What is going to happen is, out of desperation, like, I'm lacking this, I want this, I want to speed up in my life, I want to achieve this, I want to have such kind of people in my life, I want a romantic person, I want to start a family, I want to reach a certain level of success in my life. So that sense of lack is developing desperation, and when you will discover that, yes, I have some amazing manifestation powers, you will become more desperate about manifesting whatever you want in your life, manifesting a lover, manifesting a successful life as per your definition of success. Okay, so what happens, let me tell you, when we talk about spirituality, Sagittarius, and it is not something. Spiritual experiences are draining, let me tell you that. Okay, and especially when you end up manifesting really powerful things in your life, when you totally channel your energy towards a specific thing. Okay, after some point of time you start experiencing draining of your energy inside you. You'll start experiencing that the energy levels are going down. You'll start experiencing that your energy tank is almost empty after some point of time. Okay, so manifestation, psychic abilities, okay, they do consume a lot of energy. Okay, and if you try to remain in that manifestation power for a long time, if you try to remain if you use your psychic abilities for a very long time, you'll find yourself draining out quite quickly. You'll find yourself draining your energy very fast. Okay, so what I'm sensing, because we have is 10 of Swords next to Magician. Okay, that desperation, that sense of lack is developing desperation, and out of desperation and discovering the manifestation powers, you will end up manifesting a lot of things in your life. You will manifest a lot of things for a long time, and there is a strong possibility that you are going to experience energy drain by the end of Jan. Okay, or around the last week of Jan. This energy drain is going to happen because you are going to be I don't know how should I explain this. In simple way, I'll say that you are going to do things without knowing your limits. Okay, you will not know what is your limit, and you will continue manifesting. You will continue in that magician power. You're going to continue in this magician power for a very long time, which is going to result in draining of your energy. You may fall sick, you may experience not feeling well, you may experience low energy, feeling fatigue, feeling a lot of weakness, feeling anemic. Okay, so there is a possibility that in the month of January you will feel you may experience a bit of sickness, you may experience a bit of less energy, or you may have to go to the doctor. Nothing serious over here, okay, but I'm just telling you why you may end up feeling sick is because of whatever I told you right now. Okay, Five of Swords is a sort of a warning that universe is sort of telling you that you don't end up deceiving yourself. If you do not understand what your limits are, it will be like you're deceiving yourself. Okay, so just because you're a magician, don't keep on manifesting anything and everything in the world. Okay, manifest whatever you want, use your energy towards manifesting whatever you want, but also make sure that you use your energy step by step, or become that much powerful and then use your energy towards manifestation. Okay, so there are good things also that are happening in the month of January with the Magician card, but also at the same time there is a bit of a warning from the universe. Okay, the warning is about know your limits. Okay, and first of all, you know, why everything is happening is because there is a sense of lack. Why there is a sense of lack? Okay, the sense of lack is because you are comparing yourself with other people a lot. Okay, that is what I'm getting over here, so stop doing that. Okay, and the sense of lack is leading to desperation. Desperation is leading to, you know, you desperately trying to manifest a lot of things, you not recognizing your limits. Okay, so as far as your person is concerned, we have is Moon, we have is Nine of Wands, and we have is Seven of Wands. Okay, so Sagittarius, your person may try to come back. Okay, your past person, but you are already going to be in a very sensitive energy, and you will realize that, I mean, you will feel like they are experiencing regret, but that is not the only reason why they are trying to come back. Okay, they are trying to come back for multiple reasons, like they want to be with you, but at the same time they want to keep you stuck. They are not sure what they can give to you because they haven't worked on themselves enough. Okay, at the same time, a Seven of Wands is like you're being asked to stand up for yourself. You're being asked to do things which are right, which are good for you. Okay, do not hesitate to stand up for yourself, and if you do that, you will accelerate the process of manifesting the right person in your way. And there are certain things Sagittarius, what I'm feeling is there are certain things that even you have to there are certain learning experiences that you will have to experience in the month of January. Okay, and some experiences are also about standing up for yourself. Some experiences are also about learning the spiritual side. Some experiences are also about not overdoing things. Okay, so the month of January is a mix month for you. It's good also, but then it comes along with some learnings also. Okay, so be ready and be open for everything that is coming your way. So Knight of Swords and Wheel of Fortune, things are changing in your life pretty fast, Sagittarius. Okay, pretty fast and at a great speed. So even if you see certain challenges happening in your life, they are going to move like this. Okay, like one day you will feel that you may feel a bit disappointed because you have to overcome a certain challenge. The next day you will feel a lot more happy, satisfied because some good news is coming your way. So things are going to move pretty fast in the month of January. Okay, you'll not even remember what all you have faced in the month of January, and like time is going to fly. Okay, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Okay, so let's see the love notes. I heart you. So someone is going to come and say I love you. Most people are trying to survive. You're being asked to live. Okay, you will be surprised. Yes, some surprises are coming your way. You're going to know about your manifestation powers. You are adored. Someone is adoring you. Someone thinks that you're very adorable. Okay, be true to yourself. Do not betray yourself. Be true to yourself. Time to make demonstration. Time to take some action. Things are not as they appear. Don't try to jump onto conclusions without doing enough of research. Love in spite of it all. Do not give up on love. Okay, all right, I hope this resonates. Hit like, share and subscribe and comment down below. Till then, bye bye.